I've been receiving quite a lot of requests to review / demo some out-of-the-box harmonicas, so I thought I would start with one of the models that I actually use quite a lot, the Hohner crossover. I'll be talking about the specs, reviewing the playability, and demoing the sound. Plus I'm going to answer the question, is this harmonica worth it? Bit of a caveat, this is not a sponsored video. I bought the harmonica with my own money, so I will be entirely unbiased. Okay, let's check out the specs. So the reed material is brass, which is standard, very soft and pliable, great tone. Comb, bamboo, nice and watertight, brilliant. We've got cover plates made from stainless steel. We've got a standard Richter tuning, which is compromised. So that means that both single notes and chords are going to sound good. And then the construction is just your classic sandwich style harmonica with open vents. Before we hear how it sounds, you can do a little something for me and smash that like button. It's great for the YouTube algorithm and it helps this video to be seen by more people. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what do I think of the harmonica? Well, I've been playing crossovers for quite a while, and what I'm looking for when I pick up an instrument is I want it to be airtight and I want it to play in tune all the way up. And this harmonica delivers it in spades. It's nice and airtight, and what that translates to is an easy harmonica to play. I don't need to use excess air, and I can get fine control over things like my bends. It being in tune all the way up means that the octaves sound nice and sweet. Whether you're playing down low and up high, which is great. Airtightness, very, very important. The other thing I'm looking for is that good balance between playing chords and playing single notes, because I do a lot of this kind of thing. I'm mixing a lot of chords, I'm mixing a lot of single notes, and I want it to all sound nice and sweet. Another thing that's great about this harmonica compared to a standard marine band, which is put together with nails, is that it's easy to take apart because it's all screwed together. And that's important for cleaning, which is something that you need to do on a semi-regular basis. And you do need to take your harmonica completely apart to clean. You can't just dip it in water, because then you're just loosening all the debris and moving it around inside the instrument. So another thing that I look for when I'm picking a harmonica is one that overblows easily on the 6 out of the box. I don't like having to set up my harmonicas. I don't use much of the other overblows, so the 6 overblow is the crucial one for me, and the crossover does it no problem. It means I can get that nice flat third. It's a really important note to have. The other overblows are pretty easy there. So I can play that blue scale in the middle octave in first position. But that's a bonus for me. That's not something that's really important to me. But yeah, out of the box, no tweaks, the overblows are nice and easy. Now, before I answer the question, is this harmonica worth the money? If you haven't hit that like button, then now is the time to do it. Also, you should subscribe to my channel if you want to see more harmonica related content. Okay, so is it worth the money? The short answer is yes, but I come from a guitarist perspective where you can spend thousands of dollars on a decent instrument. So $80 US for a great pro level harmonica doesn't seem bad at all, even if you factor in having to buy a set of 12 keys. That said, if you want the same performance for less money, I highly recommend that you check out the Hohner Marine Band Deluxe. You get a very similar feeling instrument for a little bit less, and I also have a bunch of those in my gig bag. Right, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to download the tab for the demo that I played, just click on the link in the description below. And if you want to buy a crossover, you can click the link in the description below to buy it from Amazon, and I get a small commission, but there's absolutely no pressure. All right, thank you so much for watching. Happy harping.